Hey guys, so in today's video we are doing a lash lift perming kit. I legit am so excited about this, you have no idea. I have no makeup on today because we are going to jump right into it and we're going to see if this really does give you those full beautiful lifted eyelashes. I have a problem where when I put mascara on, my eyelashes tend to droop a little bit, so we'll see if this actually helps me out with that problem. I'm going to be doing everything step by step, so it's really broken down for you and really easy to follow. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already. I upload beauty videos throughout the week, so when you hit that notification bell, it helps you know when I upload throughout the week. With that said, let's go ahead and get started with this lash lift perming. The first thing that we're going to do is take this cleanser right here and we're going to clean our eyelids before we go in with all this crazy stuff. The next step that they say on the directions here says apply the eye pads on the under eyelids to protect our skin from the perming lotion. So I'm assuming that they're talking about these lift pads right here, so that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so the directions say to leave this on for 10 minutes. I'm going to leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes just to make sure that it dries down all the way. Sorry I'm looking down, but it's really hard to look up right now. So I'm going to let this perming solution stay on for that full 10 minutes and then I will be right back. So I'm supposed to let this blue solution stay on there for another 10 to 12 minutes. So I will be back in that amount of time. Oh my word, I look horrible. I really hope this works. I'm legit scared. I'm scared. Next, we're going to be going with this cleanser. This is to get all of that perm stuff off and to clean everything off. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to use a Q-tip. I've just been using a Q-tip this entire time, so... I'm just making sure that this is all cleansed before I take this pad off. Wow, it's coming off really easily, you guys. Oh, so it literally like pops right off. Wow, that did not hurt at all. So I'm just making sure that I have all this stuff off of my eyes. I legit see a difference. Do you guys see a difference? I mean, it's definitely there. Okay, so this is the eye that I used the Lash perming kit on. And you can definitely tell a difference. It wasn't as drastic of a difference as I was thinking it was going to be, but there is definitely a difference. So, I mean, if you're okay with putting all that time into it, like it definitely took a lot of time to do this. So, I mean, it's up to you if it's really worth it. It was a lot of time, but I do see a difference in my eyelashes, and I don't know, really, I think it's just a matter of preference. I feel like I could get this look if I curled my eyelashes with heat maybe. So just for like a natural lift, I don't know. I don't think I would buy this again because it wasn't as drastic as I was thinking it would be, but it definitely does do a difference. Like I really like how it's curling on the outer edges. It didn't get my inner corner as much as I wanted it to, but it definitely did do something. So if you're okay with putting the time into it, and it's not really that expensive, I think it's like $20 for this kit, and it's supposed to last a couple weeks. So we'll see if that's the case. I will definitely keep you updated as far as how long it lasts. If you follow what I did in this video, you'll be okay. But seriously, it took me forever to figure out like what steps were next and like what exactly I was supposed to do. Like if I was supposed to take the stuff off before I put the other stuff on. It just was not very good instructions, but once I got through it all, it was okay. Like obviously this eye won't take as long as this one did because it took a lot of time trying to figure out what exactly I was supposed to do. So aside from that, I am kind of impressed with it. I don't think I would do it again. I definitely wouldn't purchase this again. So if you have any more questions, comment down below. I will do my best to let you guys know. If you want to try it, definitely go for it. I do definitely see a difference in my eyelashes, just the amount of work that I put into it. And for the results that I get, I just think I could get the same effect with an eyelash curler. So yeah, just leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you feel like it was a drastic difference. Number one, the instructions on this were not very clear. I had the hardest time figuring out like what to do in between each step. Like it didn't tell you to have like Q-tips or any of that type of thing to apply the stuff. So yeah, it wasn't very clear instructions, and I think that's the main reason why I struggled with this. But if you follow all the steps and you really like how this turned out in this video, give it a try. I definitely give a thumbs up for a try, but be careful because some of the stuff got in my eye and it stung really bad. So just be careful. Like, I don't want anybody to like get stuff in their eye. I feel like it was kind of like a dangerous thing to do at home. Yeah, so overall, like, I'm really impressed with the results, but would I recommend this? I don't know. I'm kind of leaning towards no because first of all, it's really dangerous. Like the stuff gets in your eyes and it hurts. So just be careful if you decide to get this kit. I feel like it would be better for you to go to a professional or something, but I did have fun with it once I figured out how to do it. So yeah, and I still haven't done this side. I'll do that after this video. Anyway, if you have a different opinion, feel free to express yourself. We are all friends here. But at that, I am going to leave you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up if you want to see more honest stuff like this. And I will see you soon. Bye.